Now we are about to manufacture a marquetry with incrustation of ivory on ebony. So the pattern will be a diamond flower. We start preparing the ivory pad. This is an ivory piece from a mammoth that has been formally cut off by Michael. And we size it right for the incrustation. So next step, we put down the jig on the pre-cut ivory pad. A little assembling. Here it is, the jig is put down on the ivory pad. Then you just need to center the mammoth ivory pad above the ebony that becomes the handle. The ensemble is tied. Now we need to pierce the pad, run the blade through marquetry. Now we piece the ebony and ivory pads together to lead the blade through the marquetry. Now we start cutting the pattern, looking like diamond flower, in ivory on ebony. Then we insert the blade. The marquetry has been realized. The cutting is done. We can split the ivory piece. Now we just need to assemble the ivory with the ebony handle. So the marquetry is done. The incrustation of mammoth ivory diamond flower covers the ebony handle. The knife can be settled, a 10 cm piece to be assembled. We had a little diamond after the polishing, this in the center of the flower. Other patterns and materials are also possible. We have here, for instance, a tin inscription on a tinted camel bound. It is a pattern representing the Lion of Munich, a city in Bayern.
Sur de l'os de chameau teinté, c'est un motif qui représente le lion de Munich, une ville de Bavière.
Now we will realize the polishing of the pad. Like this we can unveil potential defaults in the ivory.
Donc la partie marqueterie est terminée.
The marquetry part is over. We install the pattern a little 10 cm with a diamond flower model with a diamond in the middle.
Au centre duquel, au milieu de la fleur, on va poser un diamant.